Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the location of Basecamp software. But before we get into that, let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and tasks you have to juggle on a daily basis? If so, then you're not alone. Many people struggle to stay organized and productive, especially when it comes to managing projects and collaborating with others. That's where Basecamp comes in. It's a powerful project management and collaboration software that can help you streamline your workflow and get more done in less time. But where exactly is Basecamp located? Well, the answer is not as straightforward as you might think. Basecamp is a cloud-based software, which means that it's accessible from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. However, the company behind Basecamp, 37 Signals, is based in Chicago, Illinois. So, if you're ever in Chicago, you might be able to catch a glimpse of the team behind Basecamp. But even if you're not, you can still use Basecamp to its full potential from anywhere in the world. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into the features and benefits of Basecamp. Basecamp features. Basecamp is packed with features that can help you stay organized and productive. Here are just a few of the highlights. Tasks. Create and assign tasks to yourself and your team members. You can set deadlines, add comments, and track progress. Projects. Organize your tasks into projects to keep everything in one place. You can add files, create discussions, and invite collaborators. Messages. Communicate with your team members and clients in real time using Basecamp's built-in messaging system. Calendar. Keep track of your deadlines and events with Basecamp's calendar. You can also add events to your Google Calendar. Files. Store and share files with your team members and clients. You can also collaborate on files in real time. Basecamp benefits. There are many benefits to using Basecamp, but here are a few of the most notable. Increased productivity. Basecamp can help you stay organized and focused, which can lead to increased productivity. Improved collaboration. Basecamp makes it easy to collaborate with your team members and clients, which can help you get more done. Better communication. Basecamp's messaging system and other communication features can help you stay in touch with your team members and clients. Enhanced project management. Basecamp's project management features can help you keep your projects on track and ensure that they're completed on time and on budget. Easy to use. Basecamp is easy to use, even for people who are not tech-savvy. Basecamp is a powerful and versatile project management and collaboration software that can help you get more done in less time. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or a large corporation, Basecamp can help you streamline your workflow and improve your productivity. So, if you're looking for a way to get organized and stay on top of your projects, I highly recommend giving Basecamp a try. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on productivity and time management. See you next time.